Today we're going to be making peanut butter sandwich cookies. First, set the oven to bake at 375 degrees. Crack and mix 3 eggs. Get 1 cup of shortening, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons baking soda, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Combine these ingredients into a mixture for 5 to 6 minutes. The peanut butter sticks should be scraped off. Once the blending's done, roll your dough into 1 to 2 inch balls. Then press them with a fork. Insert into the oven for 7 to 8 minutes. When done baking, sit on wire wrap to cool. Once they build our filling, get 3 cups of confectioner's sugar, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add these ingredients to your blender. Slowly add 5 to 6 tablespoons of milk until cream is smooth. Now we remove the cream from the mixer and apply the cream between 2 cookies. Voila, we have peanut butter cream cookies. Thank you.